Hello students, this is exercise 12.2 question number 3. Now I have taken 5 parts here, and in this particular question we have to subtract one term from the second term. So what is the procedure? Because in these questions that you should understand the concept first. So subtract this value from this. The meaning of this particular thing is, first of all you will write this term because this is the first priority, because we have to subtract from this. What you have to subtract? This value. Now you have seen that I have taken 2 minus here. What is the reason? One reason is because of this subtraction I have put here minus, and 1 minus this term is already having. That is why, because generally students gets confused here. So be very careful while you are subtracting. Always you have to put one sign from your side, and maybe some sign can put that term, and this term will be come on the first position first, right? And you can see minus minus will be plus, and definitely you will get 6y square, because 5y square plus 1y square, it will be 6y square. So this is answer yours. Now you can see again, subtract 6xy from. So what I will do, first of all I will write this term, and what I have to subtract? 6xy. Now you can see, first of all we have to check whether they are like terms or unlike terms. Definitely they are like term because xy is there. Now both are in minus, so minus 12 and minus 6, minus 18, then you will get minus 18xy answer. Questions are very easy, I am telling you, but you should understand the concept. Very systematic and organized, which you have followed in the question number 1 and 2. The same process we are doing here. After this you have to just form an expression only, and after this again you have to follow the same process which you have followed in question number 1 and 2. Now in this case again subtraction, so it means a plus b I will write here, and you can see it is a binomial, means there are two terms. So whenever you have two terms and you are putting here minus, so always write in bracket. Why I am saying? Because sometimes what the student do, they write like this, minus a minus b, and that is wrong. Reason, this minus is for both, means for a and for b, and in this case what you have done, you have changed the sign of a, but b is having same sign, so this is the wrong presentation. So what you will do here, always write in bracket the second term. Even you can make a habit here also, like for example I have put it here because there are two minus, so always write the second part in bracket. So it will be a plus b, and it is minus a, and it will be plus b. Now you can see this is plus a and this is minus a, both will get cancelled, so you will get 2b here, right? Now this is fourth part. So in fourth part you can see again b5 minus a. So what I will do, b5 minus a, and I will put here minus a and b minus 5. Now can you open the bracket? It will be 5b, it will be minus ba, it will be minus ab, and minus minus plus 5a. This is very important to understand here. We are multiplying by two things together. One is with this minus and one is with this a. Minus will change the sign of each term, and this a will multiply with each term. So it means this is plus, so plus minus minus, and ab is ab. Minus minus plus, and a into 5 is 5a. Now you can see there is no like terms related to b, there is no like term related to a, but they both are like, and they both are in minus 1ab minus 1ab. You can write it minus 2ab, and this will be your answer, right? Now I am coming to this one. You can see here the process is same. First of all we will write the second expression here. I am putting in bracket. There is no need to put any bracket here because there is no sign, so because sign will not change. But in the second case, because we are putting minus from our side, and this term is having two terms. Now you can see what is the change. Change is this minus will change the sign of each term, so it will be plus and it will be minus. So now like terms you will make together. M square I am putting here, minus 3mn minus 5mn I am putting together, and plus 8 separate. So it will be 5m square, definitely it will be, both are in minus, so it will be 8mn plus 8, and after this you can leave the answer because all are unlike terms, right? So 3ab you can see here. Now little bit more expanded form of expressions, algebraic form. So what I will do here, 3ab minus 2a square minus 2b square I will write first, and second I think you know very well, we have to put in bracket, very systematic. This step is common for all. And next step you can see this particular term, three terms will be same, and this minus will change the sign, minus minus plus, and plus minus minus. And what is the step, next step you know very well, you can make equal symbol here also. So like terms you can see these two are like, so 3ab plus 7ab and minus 2a square and minus 5a square minus 2b square minus 5b square, I have put it the like terms together. Now what is 10ab, both are in minus, minus 7a square, both are in minus, minus 7b square. Now you can see all are unlike terms, it means we can leave our answer here. In this case 5p square 3q square minus pq, this is the first term for me, and minus 4pq minus 5q square minus 3p square I will put here. So first bracket terms will be same, and the second bracket term will get the sign change. This is plus, so this because of this minus it will be minus, this is minus it will be plus, this is also plus. Now next step you know very well now, 5p square plus 3q square 3p square sorry, both are like. Now 3q square plus 5q square again, and already pq are together. Now 5 plus 3 it is 8p square, it is 8q square, and it is 5pq, and I hope after this we can't do anything because all are unlike terms, right? Now I am coming to question number 4. What should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain this one? Okay, whenever you will face these type of questions you have to be very specific, go according to the question. Okay, now I am starting the solution. You can please see here carefully so that you can understand what I am doing, which approach I am using here. What should be added? Whenever what should be added means that take any type of variable which is not included in this. You can take a, let a should be added, a should be added, right? Now if a should be added, so let a should be added, I have created here, where a should be added to x square plus xy plus y square, and we will get this one. So I am writing in the form of equation. Equation means a plus x square plus xy plus y square, I am getting this one. Now I think you have understood what I am trying to say. What should be added to this expression means I am supposing that a should be added to this expression to get this one. So I hope it is clear. If I will shift this whole value to the other side, so what it will be, each value will change their sign. Definitely if this x square is in plus, it will shift there in minus. This is plus xy, shift there in minus xy, plus y square minus y square, right? Now you know the procedure. It is very simple now. It is just simple algebraic form and you have to simplify it. So like terms together and unlike terms means y square is not having any type of like. So what it will be now, 1x square, it will be 2xy and minus y square, and it is what? A. And what we have supposed A? That term. So what is x square plus 2xy, and you can say that minus y square should be added. Finally you can write like this, right? I suppose that, or I hope that you have understood this type of problems, right? What should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a plus 7b plus 16, right? So what you will do here, what should be subtracted from? So we will write here, let again a should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10, right? So I will write in the equation form. So 2a plus 8b plus 10 I will write on the top, means on the first position, and I am subtracting a from it. So what I am getting, minus 3a plus 7b plus 16. So this is the equation we have formed. Now what you can do here, this a is in minus because we have to find the value of this a. So what we will do, this a I will shift to the other side in this case, because that is more easy for us, because ultimately we have to make it positive, and this whole, these three terms we will shift here. So it will be plus 3a minus 7b, and it is minus 16, and this complete you will get here. So 2a plus 3b like terms, 8b minus 7b one like term, and 10 minus 16, you can see this is the same process. Okay, this will be, now it is 5b and it is b and it is minus 6 if I am not wrong, and a. Now you can see this is unlike terms we are getting. Okay, oh 1 minute, there is a mistake, a, so it will be a. So now you can see this whole expression is the answer for us, so it means this should be subtracted from. So finally we will write here, subtracted should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b and plus 10, and this will be your answer, right? And you can see the question number 5 also, what should be taken away? Taken away means minus. So what should be taken away from the expression is given, the same process, but there is I think 4 terms and here is 3 terms. So it means dealing is same, concept is same. I think you can do this sum. Okay, now I am doing 6th sum and 5th question I am giving you for practice, right? I think question is clear to you. From the sum of 3x minus y plus 11, and it means what we have to do, we have to do the sum of these two terms, these two expressions, and subtract this. So from the sum of this subtract this. So ultimately I can write in the expression form, from the sum of this subtract this one. I hope this one is clear. Now I have written in the expression form. You can see that this 3x minus y plus 11 is same. This plus will not change the sign, so it means every term will be same. Now, and this minus will change the sign of each term. So we will see that it is plus, it will be here minus. It is minus, it will be plus. It is minus, it will be plus. In the next line what we can do, 3x and this is minus 3x I am putting together because like terms, minus y and plus y I am putting together, 11 minus 11 and plus 11 I am putting together. This cancel, and you can see this one is also cancelled, this one is also cancelled, because 1 plus and 1 minus 1 by, and what is left? This one, right? So this is the final answer, minus y plus 11 will be the answer. Okay, now student, you can see the sum. From the sum of these two expressions subtract the sum of this. So it means first of all which sum we have to write here. I think this one, from the sum of this. It means if suppose I am writing 4 plus 3x plus 5 minus 4x plus 2x square, means this sum from this sum we have to subtract the sum of, from the this particular sum we have to subtract the sum of what, this sum and this sum, this value. So it is, I think you have understood this one now. From the sum of 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square, subtract the sum of 3x square minus 5x and minus x square plus 2x plus 5. This is very simple now. So now it is 4 plus 3x plus 5, no change in sign because of this plus, and I am writing simple here, 3x square minus 5x plus minus because plus will not change the sign, so it means everything will be same. Now you can see 4 plus 5, 9, 3x minus 4x, 3x minus 4x will be minus x and plus 2x square. I am doing something directly here, and 3x square and minus x square, it will be 2x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 3x and plus 5 is left. I have not taken the like terms together, I am doing it directly. I think you should also do directly, because if you do these sums or practice more sums like this, ultimately finally you will be able to do it directly. Now it will be 9 minus x plus 2x square. Definitely this minus will change the sign, it will be minus, it will be plus, and it will be minus. Now 9 minus 5 I am putting together, minus x plus 3x I am putting together, and 2x square and minus 2x square already are there. 9 minus 5 is 4, it will be 2x because it is 1x, 3 minus 1 2x, and I think they both will be cancelled because both are equal with opposite signs, and this is your answer. I hope these sums are clear, and if any doubt comes you can ask me anytime. Thank you so much for watching this video.